Hello, everybody. I just wanted to share with you something new I'm trying this year. I've done student portfolios for a lot of years, and it's one of my favorite parts of first grade when I did them in first grade and kindergarten too. I just love collecting student work and their artwork and things they've been working on, and then being able to share it with the parents at the end of the year is really exciting to see how far they've come. And I just love kids being able to look back at how much they've grown over the whole year, and they have a lot of memories. They can look back at stuff they did at the beginning of the year. So I love doing student portfolios. Usually I'll collect a bunch of student work and photographs and put them in a binder. But this year I wanted to try something new. I wanted to try doing it digitally. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how I figured out how to do this digitally. I tried to get some ideas, but nothing was quite what I was looking for. So this is what I'm going to try to do this year. I decided to make each student a Google Slide document. First, I was going to do a Google Doc, but it really wouldn't support images very well. But Google Slides will. So the first thing I did was I went and made a new slide, a new presentation, and then I wanted it to be the same size as a student's paper would be, so I needed to change it to 8.5 by 11. So I came down to page setup. Why am I not seeing page setup? Hold on, it should be here. It's probably because this one's already done. Let's start a new one. Okay, so normally it comes up this way. So let's go page setup. There it is. And I'm going to go to custom, and I want it to be 8.5 by 11. So here we go. Now it's going to be the same size as my student work, so I can drag and drop student work in here. And I wanted all of them to have a nice cover, so what I did to get everybody a nice cover was, let me pull this up for you. I pulled up our portfolio product. This is Creating Portfolio Keepsakes, and we've got a lot of different covers in here. And I opened this up in preview, and then when I brought up this sidebar by going to Window, let's see, View Thumbnails. If you'll see if I take that away, the little sidebar goes away, or not. View Thumbnails. We're going to view the thumbnails, and then I can pick which one in the sidebar that I want and copy it. So let's say I want to use this one. So I'll highlight it in the sidebar, then I'll copy it, and then I need to go back to my slide. So here I am back in my slide, and now you'll see if I paste, now I have a cute little cover. And the nice thing about doing the cover is I could also go up here and say, make a copy, and that will make a duplicate copy, so I could name this student 1, and then I could copy and name student 2 and keep going, but I'm not going to do that right now. And so let's say I want to put in my student work now that I've got my cute cover. So I'm going to go new slide. And now I went and I already previously took a picture of some of my students' work. So I'll show you how I'm going to pull that in, which is pretty much the same thing. So I've got to go back to preview. Okay, so here is my document, and I've also printed a few of the pages from here for my students to work on. The one I'm going to pull up is this one, my self-portrait at the beginning of the year. But I also had them do their alphabet and their numbers. And then I just took a picture of it with my camera. So, let's see. Doesn't want to go. Let's try again. Try again. There it is. Okay, so here's my picture I took of my little cuties self-portrait. So I'm just going to select the work itself, and then I'm going to copy it. Then I need to go back to my slide again. And then just go on this second slide and paste it in. Oh, it wanted to paste there. We don't want you there. We want you on the other page. Cut. Here. We want you here. Paste. I've noticed it's a little bit slow, so I have to be really patient with it. It's thinking really hard, and I have to keep checking here to make sure it's actually saved. So that's what I'm going to try this year. I think it's going to be really easy because I can just keep adding slides and dropping their work in. If I decide something needs to get added, I can move the slides around just by dragging them and dropping them in different places. I can pull in pictures of them doing things in the classroom. I can take pictures of their work. And I think the cool thing will be I can also get the Google Slides app on my phone. And then if I'm taking pictures on my phone, I can pull them straight into the app on my phone or a tablet. So this is what I'm trying this year. I think it's going to be really fun. I'm really looking forward to it, mostly because I'm running out of space for binders. So this will be something new. And the cool thing is, at the end of the year, I can just hit share the document with parents, and then they and their child can look through and see all the fun things they've done all year, and print it if they want to, save it online if they don't want to, send it to Shutterfly, and whatever they want to do. So that's what I'm doing this year. I hope it gives you guys some fun ideas. I think I'm going to enjoy it.